Here's how I start my day with a spiced honey mud water latte. Begin with 1 1/3 cup of steaming hot milk and add a heaping spoonful of mud, plus a tablespoon of raw honey. You can use agave nectar or maple syrup if you want to keep this vegan. Then I add sprinkles of clove and nutmeg for coziness. And I get to wake up my arm muscles by stirring vigorously to dissolve all the mud. And then I whip out the electric frother to elevate this into a frothy little latte. This is the fun part. After a few seconds, pour everything into a mug and finish with a sprinkle of cayenne. Click the link in this video description to try mud water for yourself, and be sure to use my discount code to save some money off. Now I'm off to take care of business. Thank you for watching.